Today I'm going to be putting my 1776 decal on. I'm going to show you the company is called Xinghe. I've showed it to you before with the American flag that I had mounted on there. It's going to be the same deal, okay? This company is a very good company, I should say, because you have your decal. They give you extra decals in case anything starts to peel off. They give you the application scrub, instructions, and I'm going to show you how to do that now, okay? In my older truck, the American flag decal held up for, I would say, over a year and a half. No issues whatsoever, no peeling, no delamination, nothing like that, okay? It held its color. It went through many car washes with high pressure water and never had an issue. So it's going to be the same deal for this company here, for this decal. First thing you're going to want to do, get yourself a good glass cleaner. This stuff is the best stuff I ever used. You're going to spray it. And you're going to thoroughly wipe all the surface of the glass. Like so. Next you're going to take some alcohol. Pour it on your lint-free paper towels. You're going to wipe it again. This gets any wax or anything on here that the glass cleaner doesn't take off, okay? Just give it a good rubbing. Make sure you get all your corners. This stuff dries super fast, so it doesn't leave anything behind. You open up your package. I said, they give you the cardboard so your decal doesn't get damaged in shipping, and it also comes inside a box that has padding all around so your sticker doesn't get messed up, okay? There's your instructions if you want to see it, front and back. Pause the video if you want. There's your extra decals, and there's the one that's already spaced out for you, okay? That's going to just go right here in the center, as center as possible. So the first thing you're going to want to do, take your squeegee and just nothing crazy, okay? You're going to take it, we're going to go fold it down the middle in half. We're going to separate it, we're going to do half. Go at an angle like so everything comes off. Just like so, gentle. We're going to go halfway. We're going to put it down. And we're going to fold this here in half. And give it a nice crease right here, okay? Boom. Now we're going to line up the top star, the top point. We're going to line it up with the center of the third brake light. It has a little indentation here. So that's how you're going to know we're dead center. So we're going to line up that way first. Like so. We're going to get one corner started. Hold it back some like so. Get the next corner started. Make sure your star point lines up with the third brake light. Let it drop down slowly to make sure it fits nice, straight. It does. Okay, just before we put it down, let's see. We're going to gently put it in. We're going to work our way down like so. Just like so, gently, nothing crazy yet. Make sure the stars are flush. Make sure the numbers line up. Like so. Take it out. Like so. Gently tap it down. Tap it down. You got wiggle room here, okay? Don't be afraid to pull it out and put it back on. Take your squeegee and work the numbers down, out, like so. Don't worry about the backing. The stars line up nice, just like so. Okay. Take your squeegee that was provided and work from the center to the outside. Work out all your air bubbles. Don't worry about the back end, as long as all your numbers are nice, flush. The wrinkles on the paper don't mean nothing. Everything is nice and flush here. Keep working it out. You hear the air bubbles popping, that's good. Focus on your numbers. On the video description, I have a link where you can purchase your own with many other options that they have. So you're gonna get one corner, always start in the corner, and you're gonna pull the paper diagonal, like so. Nice and slow. If any of the decals stick on your backing, put it back, take the squeegee and rub it in again. Okay. Like so. Nice and slow. Very slow you want to do this to make sure it's the stars and everything is adhering to the window. If you do it in the winter time, it makes it a little harder to do. So once I get these off, I'm going to hit it with the heat gun to make sure the sticker has its best chance of sticking long term. All the stars out, and then we're going to worry about these numbers here. What I did was, after I got the stars around, I just took a knife and cut around to make it easier to get the numbers off. Like I said, it's winter out now. Work at angles like this, nice and gentle. Usually once you get the top half, it's easier to take the bottom ones out. Okay. Like I said, being that it's winter, I'm gonna get some heat on here to help seal it in. Okay, you got yourself a blow dryer, a heat gun, whatever you have. Take the backing that came with it, like so, and just gently press it in. The heat with the glue will make sure that this decal lasts a long time. Like I said, this is a stand-up company, super fast shipping. In the video description, I will have a link where you can purchase your own. 1776, 13 original colonies that separated from Great Britain and became America right here. Okay. Boom. That, my friend, is how you install your Xinghe 1776 decal. Questions, comments, leave them below. I get back to everyone. Hope that video helped you. If it did, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, spread the word. Take care, fellas. Peace.